Hi guys, Pingo Please here, and yep, you guessed it. You saw the title. I'm going to show you guys how to draw Chewy. So you really need just crayons, a pen, or a pencil, just some black thing to color with that's not a crayon or marker. And then after it, you can color it, but I'm not gonna color it today. I'm sorry, but okay, time to get started. So first, I'm gonna draw the eyes. You may be wondering why we're doing the eyes first. That's a good question. We're doing the eyes first because, as this may not make sense, but the face is the hardest to draw and then it goes easier. So I'm gonna draw a circle around the eyes, and then I'm gonna create a little mouth. It looks a little unusual, but now I'm going to make a loop under. And now I'm gonna draw some teeth. And now I'm gonna draw one of those teeth little lines. And if you're gonna color it, draw that little teeth with the lines on it. Rainbow, okay? Try a whole bunch of different colors on that one tooth. So you may want to make it big. But Chewy has one rainbow tooth. And then we're gonna go a little up. Then we're gonna get him his ears. They look like bunny ears. And I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna drop down with this little curve, and then I'm gonna go down, go up, and curve around, and make his tail and his body. And then we're gonna make his arm, and then draw a little thing on both of them, and then we're gonna draw a little thing and a dot, little thing, dot. Draw the dots pink if you want to do the real design. Guys, if you actually want to know how to color it, I will show you what it originally looks like. After this video. My brother is making a lot of noise. I'm going to draw this, and voila. Guys, it's going to look more pretty once you color it. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. Now I'm going to show you what it originally looks like. But I've got to get past my family. Okay. So this wasn't the best idea, but I actually left my picture of it in the car. The picture that I colored it. Okay, got a lot of toys. That pink scooter and that. But right there are my neighbors. Little fact, okay, let's get back to the basics. Okay. This is what he looks like. See his little rainbow tooth? Okay. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this one, leave it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.